Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hashmi. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to give you the review how the pen tablet is going to be work for the educational videos or for the YouTube educational channel and any other educational purposes. You can do it by pen tablets. So in my previous video I have unboxed this one by Wacom Tablet CTL672, where I have show you the specification and how it comes in packing, all that. And if you want to check, so I'm giving you a link in the description box, so you can check that video also. Today in this video I'm going to show you how this Wacom tablet is going to install and how it is going to work for your channel. So let's start with this. I have already told you, like, this tablet is come with this data cable and this one with the pen. Okay, so I'm going to attach the tablet with my laptop. This one is our tablet. Okay, it is almost about the screen. I'm going to attach with this. So I have attached, and when you are going to attach, you pop up with sound on PC, laptop, and this LED light on. So this is the indication tablet is going to be work. Okay, and we have this, so you can attach your stylus over here. Okay, for securing. Now, for going to use this tablet, you must know about the Microsoft OneNote or the Microsoft Whiteboard. Okay, so before going to show you how Microsoft Whiteboard and OneNote is going to be work for this tablet, so I'm going to show you how this tablet is going to install, because for this tablet you have no CD in this box. Okay, so simply you have to go and write the Wacom over here. I have already opened this website. Okay, so you have to open up. So now here you are going to find the pen tablet. Okay, so I have checked the pen tablet. Here you find one by Wacom. Okay, so we have pen tablet over here, and as we have one by Wacom, so I'm going to click on that. Now look, we have two type of one by Wacom pen tablet. It's 472 and 672. So I have 672. So what I have to do here, all the digital explanation is given. Okay, so the natural pen experience, because you feel like you're holding a real pen and you are going to work on real base working. Okay, notebook and pen, like that. So all the information is given over here. Okay, once you open up this side and click on the pen tablet, and after pen tablet you have to click on one by Wacom. So when you open up this one by Wacom, you find this on your screen. Now here it is a video. It's about tutorial and specification, which I have already done in my unboxing video. And now you have to install. So what you have to do, you have to click on that getting started, so that you have installed your setup. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this getting started work for your laptop. Okay, now the screen is open. Like, you have to follow the steps which this site is given to you. Simply, first time when you are going to plug this one, plug USB with your tablet and your laptop, so the software appears. Okay, if you are going to use the Mac, so you have to click on that. I'm going to use this window, so I'm clicking on Windows Setup. Now I have to install this over desktop. So it takes time, so let's wait for that. As I have already installed it, but I'm going to show you like how this is going to work. After completing this download, you have to follow the steps. Okay, now this type of message is going to appear in your laptop screen, so you have to allow the changes. Yes. Okay, now this interface is open for you. Okay, so simply you have to accept this, because I'm not going to accept here. I have already done this, so you have to accept it, and then here you go. Okay, you have installed the setup. So after installing the setup, like this one which I have on the bar, this is W sign over here, so I'm going to open up for you. It's Wacom Desktop Center. So this simply show you the setting, how this tablet is going to be set up. Okay, so here driver update is over here. One by Wacom, backup setting, update, support, and store. Okay, one by Wacom, we are going to put on this. Here is the setting for pen and documentation. So for pen setting, you can change your pen setting. I have not changed too much. Yeah, tip feel free. How much you want, it is flexible for you. You can change it. Okay, but you have to customize it and then change it. Okay, so the current pressure is maximum, so you can click on that. Tip double click distance, how much it is, all that. Okay, so you have different setting over here for mapping also, like how much area is going to use for this tablet. As I have already told you, these dotted lines show you the active area. Okay, all the area is not going to work for you, because the area above the dotted lines are not going to use. Okay, let me give you an idea how this is not going to work and this was going to work for you. Now this is the setting interface. Okay, now I am going to use this Microsoft whiteboard for my video purpose. Okay, this is the working for one of my video for YouTube, but let me give you an idea how it is work for the new one. Okay, so let's create new window or whiteboard or document. Okay, so here we have some setting: active pen, ink to shape, ink to table, format background. So usually I'll take same like a notebook. All we have different. Okay, so I'm going to take this one. Usually I'm going to use this one, and here you have a colors for that. You can change the color of your whiteboard if you don't like white. So here we have black, different colors of pen, their highlighter, eraser, and lots of tool, and you can add also text, image, paste. You can do variety of things over there. Okay, now I'm going to give you an idea about how this tablet is going to work for writing purposes. Okay, so just take this, and I'm going to hold this because I'm right-handed, so it's better to take it on a left side. Okay, so if you can see, I'm going to write this one: welcome to my channel. Okay, it's so easy. Okay, if you can feel like you are going to use this with. Now I'm going to take the another color, so you will feel happy to use this. I have write 3 languages over there because I'm going to use this one. 3 languages I have written over there. One is English because we are going to use this in my videos, and the second one is Urdu because it's our native language, and the third one is Chinese. because you can find the videos of my Chinese course over here also. Okay, so I have written over here welcome. Okay, so this is going to work for you around about 1 centimeter. Okay, so for this, if I'm going to highlight this one, we are going to erase. So it's so easy for you. And now what if you want to write any mathematical equation, as I am a math teacher, so I'm going to write math calculation. So x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Pretty easy. Okay, so if I'm going to draw some diagram like you have in biology or any science video tutorials, so you can draw like so easy. So you can draw amoeba and place a nucleus over here and some nuclei. So you can draw, okay, whatever. And if you want to add some color, you can also add color. Okay, so it's all about this pen. This pen have 2 buttons over here also. Okay, so its work is like the mouse, but we can't use mouse as freely. So you feel happy by taking this tablet and using this for your video purpose, educational video purpose. Hope you like it. And if you have to know something more about this tablet and how to record the video for YouTube channel or for your student, you can comment me and I'll make it another for you.